E aí, galerinha? E aí, galerinha? Sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço para quem estiver chegando, deixa o like, não vai custar nada. Participem da comunidade do Discord, participem da Twitch. E o pessoal que estiver vendo pela Twitch, meu canal principal é Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Beleza? Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Bom, galera, hoje nós vamos continuar aqui as aventuras de Arthur Morgan em Red Dead Redemption 2, o modo história. O que vai acontecer hoje? Não vai. Deixa eu lembrar. Hoje nós vai continuar de onde nós parou a última partida. Nós estávamos. Deixa eu lembrar, refrescar a memória. Nós vai fazer aquelas missões do índio. Aquelas missões do índio lá, o Águia voando e o seu filho. O que mais? Nós vamos fazer aquelas missões do Águia voando. A última parte também nós parou explorando San Denis. Vamos fazer algumas missões secundárias de San Denis. Progredir obviamente um pouco no modo história. Esperar o jogo carregar aqui, né? Obviamente. Demorando um pouco. Eu acho que hoje, se não me engano, é a 28ª parte. O modo história que a gente tá vendo. Estamos aqui com o Arthur Morgan mesmo. Estamos em Shady Belle no acampamento. A última parte, o Kieran acabou de ser morto lá pelos outros. É verdade, lembrei agora.
Ok.
Pescar um pouco aqui. Essas áreas aqui em pântano tem muito jacaré. Ok. Blueberry chama.
Okay then.
Hoje nós vamos fazer aquele encontro com a ex-amante do
Mr. Pierce. Good morning.
do Arthur. E aí, Shady?
Hello, Pearson.
Mrs. Adler.
Good morning, Arthur.
Hello. Haven't received anything from you in a while, Mr. Morgan. Yeah, I hear you. Well done, Mr. Morgan.
How's things?
Thank you, Arthur.
Good day, Mr. Morgan.
Ah,
Great.
tomar um café.
Morning, Arthur.
Vem cá, traz aqui, ó, comida. Ó o Bill. Olha só. Meu Deus do céu.
Or. What?
What? O quê?
Ah, it's nothing.
Oh, just go away.
Tá dormindo uma hora dessa ainda.
Morning.
Hi.
A sede tratando as galinhas.
All right. Hey there. Morning.
Hey, Arthur.
Vamos passando Denis. Deixa eu ver um negócio aqui, galera. Caramba, calma aí, deixa eu... Deixa eu ver uma coisa rápida. Deixa eu ver onde... Uma coisa rapidão. Ficou mais uma missão aqui pra fazer desses prisioneiros. Já sei mais ou menos a localidade. Deixa eu ver, deixa eu ver. É aqui, ó, eu acho.
Yep.
O laço. Cara, uma coisa, um detalhe que eles podiam mudar no Red Dead 2. Comprar outras formas de laço, né? Não.
Whoa, man.
Who the hell did you rob for all this? Hey, ask no questions, I tell no lies. It's all yours once you hand me the money. Wagon 2. Fine. Here it is. What we agreed on. Good man. Well, you keep on doing what you do best.
Along,
You need more live through tomorrow. Come back.
My mistake.
Take care, fellas.
Hold up. Don't need more guns than
Tá, pô.
those fools.
Ah, o saqueador de Lemoyne. Eles estão fazendo negócios aqui, né? Ah, carroça saqueador de Lemoyne.
Yep. Come on now, boy. Yeah.
Vamos embora. Acabei de desmantelei os negócios de armas deles.
You all right, boy? Yeah.
Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Sir, good morning.
You get out of the way! Yeah!
Relax.
Oh, yes. What a relief.
Yeah.
Relax.
Yeah.
Será que é aqui mesmo? Achei, é aqui, ó. O acampamento deles é aqui, ó. O Sr. Black e o Sr. White podem estar precisando de sua ajuda. Exatamente aqui, ó, galera.
Easy.
A arma tá em péssimas condições. Vou limpar agora com óleo.
Yep. Easy. Hey, boy. Yeah. Easy now.
Sr. Black e Sr. White estão aqui.
Lord, oh.
E aí, como vocês estão?
Hey, mister. Oh, hey,
Mister,
friend.
sim.
You boys don't look so fresh.
Vocês estão não tão bem.
I think we're dying,
Não
friend.
estão. Eu acho que
Bad mushrooms.
cogumelos ruins? Eita porra.
It's been real tough, partner. So it seems. I hate to ask, but we need some medicine. Kind of fast.
Remédio.
Medicine? Yeah.
Remédio?
Look at us. Look
Yeah.
at me. And he's worse than he looks. Oh. And he looks like shit. He ain't gonna last 3 days.
Uma aparência de merda.
I ain't well. Not at all. Not at all. I'm begging you, partner.
Vou dar remédio pra eles.
Oh, why? I told you you'd help us. I told you, did I?
You did. You told me. You told me a
Os
lot
lados
of
que nos
things.
unem, parte
We're
4.
gonna be all right, buddy.
Are we?
Well, physically.
Bom,
Drink this.
fisicamente.
I'll give it
Toma,
to
beba
Black.
isso.
No. Don't give it to Whitey.
No,
Sr.
no.
Black e
Drink
Sr.
this
White.
and Take it.
Toma você, vai. Vocês vão ficar bem.
Thank you.
Obrigado, thank
Well,
you.
that's good stuff. Ooh.
But listen, I reckon
Mas
you boys should
escutem.
get on out of here.
Acho que é melhor vocês saírem daqui. Se separar, talvez. Ir pro norte ou fora do país. O povo não gosta de grupos de homens.
I hear you,
Eu
boss.
sei. Esse é o mesmo grupo, o Sr. White e o Sr. Black. Sr. Black e Sr. White. O Arthur ajudou anteriormente. Nós ajudamos na participação.
Embarrassing.
Embarrassing?
Yeah, you're an embarrassment.
Well, be embarrassed no more. Get back to where folks like you, and I'll go where they like me.
I shall.
Shut up, will you?
With pleasure.
Ah, eles vão dormir agora.
On demand. I can feel it. I hope. So long. Just gotta sleep it off. Like this big lump.
Enquanto isso, obrigado por pegar o café de você.
We'll be fine now.
Até mais, rapazes. Até um próximo encontro breve. Vamos cobrar lá uma comissão lá de agiotagem do Algie Davison.
Hello there. Would you be able to help me out again? I could use some assistance gathering herbs for my studies.
Ah, aquele cara das ervas, não é? Oi, aquele cara das ervas.
Sure.
William.
You see this purple flower here? This is sage, but I'll need to experiment with more of it before I can be sure of its effects. I found this one with his friends in the woods. I'd check wooded areas for more. So, what are you hoping this sage will do, anyway? A chew of sage gives me a good kick. Cook it down, though? Stronger than any coffee. Those plants may take some searching. I'd get started.
Ok. Olha o quê? William. Ok, William. Ele tá perto dessa marcação do coiote.
Come on, pal. Whoa, easy.
Vamos ver onde que tá essas plantas. Sálvia. Não, é sálvia. Deixa eu ver onde que tá. Vamos descer lá. Ah, estamos no caminho certo. Vamos continuar. O que tá escrito aqui?
Easy there. Yep.
Deixa eu ver aqui, galera, calma aí. Ai, mais pra cá. Esse aqui, né? Sálvia. Achei uma sálvia. Uma planta meio rala de encontrar, né? Onde que tava o William lá, aquele herbalista? Depois nós volta lá, pera aí.
There we go.
There we go. Fazenda dos Jackson. Ah, fazenda do Algie Davison. Será que tem alguém em casa? Aí tá bêbado lá, sorteio.
Hey! You better have a damn good reason for being on my property, mister.
Remember that loan you took, Mr. Davison? Well, time's long since up. I'm here to collect.
I should have known. You goddamn bludgeon men are
Sr.
all the
Davison.
same. Sure, I got your money. Every stinking cent. It's in the house. Hell, I'll even offer you a drink. We can toast to never laying eyes on each other again. I got a powerful thirst on me right now. How about you? Well, you gotta be stinking drunk already to do this kind of work.
I like...
O Arthur veio fazer agiotagem, né?
doing it sober.
You take my money, surely you take a drink off me as well. That would be the mannerly thing to do.
Let's us handle the money first. Worry about manners later, okay?
I could be fishing.
You were catching flies, you weren't
Aí,
catching
baixo,
fish.
Senhor Davison.
Now come on,
Tá mamado de bêbado.
let's get us that debt.
This is as fast as I can go.
Nossa, a cara dele. Olha.
Someone's here, boy.
Oh. Wait, what's going on?
Don't just stand there. Go fix us a drink.
Another one, Pop?
Don't give me no talk, boy. Just do it. I'll look down here for our savings.
Savings? Under the sink?
Best place for 'em. Now where's them drinks, boy?
Drinks ready. It's right there, miss.
It's our life savings. Come and take what you owe.
Tá muito estranho isso aí.
Right here.
For this. Ah,
Please.
cut your damn.
Tô desgraçado. Senhor Davison, vem com a faca. Mortinho da Silva agora. Nossa, ele veio com uma faca. Já desconfiava.
Don't hurt me, all right?
Son, I want to get out of here, but I can't until I find some money.
There's something in my footlocker. I've been keeping it away from him.
Ain't that lucky?
Nossa. Nossa, o pai bebia e batia no filho.
I think I know the sum. And that should cover it.
Ain't you the good son? You should be proud of yourself.
Que é isso aqui? Carta da mãe para o Nate. Ah, o filho dele chama Nate, caríssimo Nate. Não sei quantas cartas já escrevi, mas não vou parar de tentar. Até mesmo escrever parece parte de tentar de modo. Você deve estar furioso eu ter-o abandonado daquele jeito, mas juro que o ano, fundo de coração, só não te aguentar mais um dia. Você conhece o temperamento de seu pai, especialmente quando ele bebia. O que acontecia o tempo todo no final. Dizia, encontrei trabalho, aluguei uma casa pequena. É só me avisar que eu mandarei buscá-lo. Nós podemos ser amor sempre, mamãe.
Won't find nothing else here. Please just leave.
Ah, é o filho dele. Ah, não vou encontrar nada.
You got the money. Go, won't you?
Vamos embora.
Yep. mister?
Ah, é por aqui que ele tá, o Sr. William.
Yep. Yeah. Easy, easy.
Hey, I remember you. Come on over. We're working on a whole new batch. Had some ideas after last time. Got a whole new recipe. Gonna be so much better than the last one. Let me
Que é esses caipira?
We could really use some of the plant life growing nearby. You think you'd be able to help forage for it?
Sure, why not?
You know, wild tobacco might give us the rich, earthy flavor we are looking for.
Really? Well, I have that on me.
Go on, lazy bones. Toss the plants into the batch so we can test it out.
Adicione as plantas ao alambique. Cara, isso aqui é novo.
Place them in the hatch on the side of the still.
Adicionar tabacos indianos. Ah, que da hora.
Well, all right. Here goes nothing.
Nossa, que da hora.
Well, ain't so tasty. But dang if I don't get a prickly feeling. Real sharp.
Well, that sounds kinda interesting. Why don't we rest up a spell, and then whip up another batch later on? We got a rare victual in that chest there. Take it. I'd say you earned it.
Appreciate it. All right. Till next time.
Goodbye.
Ah, fez por merecer, obrigado.
That's that then.
Valeu, rapaziada.
Okay there.
Vou montar o acampamento e vou dormir aqui.
Here. Easy. Whoa.
Será que era aqui mais uma que ele tava? Não lembro.
Easy. Here.
Tem que rever depois na live se aqui é a localidade aqui. O William tava aqui ou...
Easy now. Slow it up. Yep.
Pera aí, galera, deixa eu ver um negócio. Deixa eu ver. Ele tava por aqui, cara, esse cara. Depois, outra hora, nós já encontra ele. Vamos entregar o dinheiro lá do Sr. Pierce. Daqui a pouco a gente volta.
Come on. Hi there, mister.
Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Yep.
Who goes there?
It's me.
O John tá de guarda.
There he is.
Morning, Arthur.
I'm hungry this morning.
Hey, Jack.
E aí, Jack? Quitar todas as dívidas aí. O Davis.
How are you? I think you know the answer to that. It'll be okay. Charles. Mrs. Adler.
Hey.
Vamos ajudar a contribuir aqui. Eu dei remédio para aquela dupla esquisita, pois eles se envenenaram. O feio, os dois sobreviveram, mas duvido que vão durar muito. Parece uma dupla de palhaços de circo.
Hiya.
Okay.
Hey, holding up.
How are you, Mr. Morgan?
Can't have been easy for you.
Still here, I guess.
Thought you'd have hightailed it by now, to be honest.
And go where? This is all I got for now. And you all ain't so bad. Abigail, she's as good as they come.
So everyone keeps telling me.
Shady.
Mrs. Adler.
Hi, Arthur.
Only you could fix your problem, Smith.
Go away. Leave the work to the men.
Micah.
He's still here.
Vou passando, Denis. Tem muita missão pra fazer aqui.
Trapped in a swamp. Yeah, it's like hell on earth. It beats freezing to death. In the south, in a swamp. This is not for me. Nor me. But we're alive. Well, Sean's not. Jenny, Mac, Davy. Folks always die, Kieran. You and me will die. Trick is to enjoy it while you're alive. That's the trick of it. Well, I haven't mastered that yet.
Olha só, estão conversando.
You have more fun than anyone.
Do I? Maybe I do.
Shady Kieran.
Hey there, Tilly.
Hi there, Arthur.
Hi, Karen.
Mr. Morgan.
Ah. Easy, boy, easy.
God bless you, mister.
Yeah.
Ah, o saqueador de lemões.
So up now.
Sai daí, seu cavalo idiota. Olha o trem passando. Vamos salvar a história. Opa, tem uma missão aqui. Vamos ajudar essa pessoa, o memorial, isso aqui. Galera, essa é uma das missões bacanas no jogo, que o Arthur vai contribuir e vai ficar o memorial no nome dele. Registrado em San Denis.
Okay, fella.
Hello, how are you today?
Excuse me, sir. Can I bother you for a minute of your time?
All right.
Can I tell you a little about what we're doing here?
Sure.
Less than a minute, I promise. We're trying to raise money to build an expansion to the Quincy Harris Memorial Hall.
Memorial Quincy Harris.
Shelter for homeless
Abrigo
veterans
para
and their
veteranos
families.
desabrigados e suas
Can you
famílias.
help? A donation of $20 would put us well on our way.
Would you mind getting out of the way there? $20 ain't no chicken
Okay.
feed, but sure, I can help you out.
That's very kind. What is your name, sir?
Arthur Morgan.
Your donation will be acknowledged on a founder's plaque when the building is completed. You have a great day, Mr. Morgan.
Well, good luck to you. Seems a worthwhile cause.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Thank you.
Ah, Memorial Quincy Harris. Aqui vai ficar gravado meu nome.
Hello, sir.
Desgraçado de merda. Quem que é esse cara aqui?
You okay, buddy?
Você tá bem, amigo?
You Americans
Fantastic.
are nothing but shysters and traitors and slippery-tongued bull suckers.
I'm inclined to agree.
Eu tenho a concordar.
Help me, please. Back to work with a bloody smile.
Maldito
No
sorriso.
problem, Marco. You are the great genius. So
Marco.
we shall have
Oh,
poker
brinquedinho
up the
tem.
ass. Say thank you, Marco. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
What are you, some kind of European toy maker?
No, I am a fucking genius with poker up the ass, like I say. Toy maker. Hello? Do I look like I should entertain children?
No.
No, he says. No. I am the savior of the mankind, buddy. Yes. You meet him. Professor Marco Dragic. The one the
Marco
silver-tongued
Dragic é o
American
seu nome.
betrayed and not paid the money to. Yes. He told to shit, man.
So, what's this toy about?
It is not a toy, Big Nuts. It is demonstration of my genius, of my ideas about the source of life.
Oh, it's a toy boat.
Yes, it is a toy boat that I can power remotely using electricity and waves you cannot see.
Good for you. Ways I cannot see.
And still the investors will not come. Just a couple of old ladies and a moron.
Ladies, please.
Ladies! Gentlemen! Enchanté! Hello!
Oh,
hello,
convidados.
sir. Okay, how is the piles? Yeah? Good, good, good. Okay, my friends, you are about to witness history. A demonstration of my infinite insight. All of us, we feel old. You are old. But maybe I can make you immortal. Using waves you cannot see, I will power this
You're a
boat.
goddamn fraud. And this buffoon, dressed up like a buffoon, is a stoolie. I'll watch them conspire, you morons.
I never met this buffoon before 2 minutes ago. Isn't that right?
Which part of it?
Na verdade,
So,
depende de qual parte.
Show us your magical toy boat.
Ah, o barco
This
Marco
time let the
Trash, que é o nome
buffoon
dele, né?
control. Check if there's any funny business.
No, this ain't nothing to do with me.
Come, please, please. It is easy. Any moron could do it, and I am about to prove that. Here, take this, and don't touch that. Use these ones to steer, and this one to shoot torpedoes, okay? Yes, now blow up the little battleships, and avoid the sea mines. They have magnets attached, making a nasty explosion if they touch the boat. Okay, if this silly dimwit can use torpedoes on boat to destroy the battleships, imagine what technology can do in the hands of certified genius! And I have certificate.
Eita, p***, matei todo mundo. Ai, cara.
Use these ones to steer and this one to shoot torpedoes, okay? Yes, now blow up the little battleships and avoid the sea mines. They have magnets attached, making a nasty explosion if they touch the boat. Okay, if this silly dimwit can use torpedoes on boat to destroy the battleships, imagine what technology can do in the hands of certified genius! And I have certificate.
It's doing what I'm telling it.
Of course it is doing. Now tell it to do closer to battleship and shoot with torpedo. Be mindful of the danger. See what he does? No wire like telegraph. No pulley
Nossa, que
system
da hora, cara.
underwater. Only waves in the air.
This is remarkable. Think of those poor boys on the H.L. Hunley. 8 of them perished to a mere 5 on the Housatonic. And what a way to go. Trapped in a box at the bottom of the bay. I suppose you intend to make an unmanned killing machine?
You misunderstand. This is the secret to life. not death. Transmigration of the soul. I make lifeless metal breathe like man.
Well, I'm not sure about that.
Torpedoes do not have so much range. I am an invisible wave engineer, not a rocket physicist.
Caraca, esse brinquedinho é... Olha.
You see what stupid man does?
Another one down. I'm getting the mastery of this.
Show them one more to prove.
Caraca, mano, a mina...
There, all gone for you.
Yes, you see what he does? Now, bring the boat back to the dock.
That sure was something, but I'm not sure what, if anything, was proven here.
The demonstration's not over yet. Any fool can explode a sitting dock. Next, he will show you the moving docks.
Well, all right.
Bring that, quick!
Que da hora, cara.
Let me just
Oh.
This is really remarkable. This is just a demonstration of my prowess.
Oh,
The real miracles require investment.
Now, the dimwit will use invisible waves to destroy the little sailing boats before they get to other side of pond. Still avoiding magnetic mines.
Well, he'll attempt to, at least.
Shush! You're not here for the smart talk. The steam train, the telegraph machine, the motor car. They will all seem pedestrian in comparison to this technology. We are not reliant on wires or coal or gasoline. No, just rays in the air, like the voice of God.
And funding from us?
And funding from you, of course. But what thing to fund? What an opportunity! No one is stupid enough to pass this up. Not even Dimwit here.
Hey,
The real
look who rules the seas.
Very good, very good. Now bring in the boat back here. Foolproof. Undeniably foolproof. But you are not fools.
Ah, que da hora, cara.
Any fool, huh?
O Barto gostou.
What is that?
It is the stuff of life, sir.
It's incredible.
No. Incredible things are in my
Não,
lab back at Dover Hill. That
Botou
will
na colina
astound
deve.
all of you. Mr. Marcel, can I count on your support?
Posso contar com seu apoio?
This is expensive.
It is immortality, sir. It is very cheap. Perhaps over lunch.
Maybe. I'm gonna go.
Oh, yeah, of course. And thank you.
Oh, of course. Obrigado.
If you're ever up near Dover Hill, pay me a visit. There, I will really amaze
Eu
you.
irei surpreender você de verdade.
I hope you will forgive my European coarseness. In the Balkans, we are a mannerless people, but we work hard. Now, let me go over the investment with you once more.
And this is for military purposes.
It is for humanity itself. To be so sliver of the miracles I can enact on this earth. If you will help me and not stab me
Oh, tô indo embora.
like other Americans. Traitors! All of you goddamn traitors! None of you has the wisdom to invest in my genius! Genius! You're fools. All of you. Fools. Fools! Fools!
Nossa, ele jogou o brinquedo dele fora.
Anything else I can help you with?
No, you've done quite enough. Now you can leave me alone.
Marco Trash.
Yep.
Coitado.
Hey, boy.
Ela é um investidor, aquelas pessoas, né?
Doing okay? Hello. Vale. How do you do?
Can anybody show me some kindness? Please. You. Yes. Please. Coin. Please. Please. Won't you lend a coin to a fella in need?
Go get yourself something to eat.
Sir, I want you to have this.
Thanks, friend.
It's nice to give something instead of just begging. I hate asking for money like a goddamn worm. Probably here in the dirt.
So you getting along okay?
Hey there,
Hey there.
Hello.
Hey, mister.
Hey, partner.
Mais tarde, San Denis.
Hey, friend. You all right, boy?
Oh, droga.
Hello again.
Mister. Darling.
Good evening.
Oh, what do you have?
Can I get a room for tonight, please?
Okay, room's all set. Just head
Would you
upstairs when you're ready.
This is meant to be a saloon, not a bloody vicarage.
Careful, dear.
Oh, what's wrong with you? The girl have to take a drunk around here.
Some people are trying to enjoy their drinks, Lillian.
I'd enjoy one if someone would fill my bloody glass.
Vamos dormir de manhã, galera. Conheci um homem doido em Denis, nada menos que um professor Marco Trash. Ainda estou a admirar com as coisas. Um barquinho de longe, como coisa. Eu passei assim a primeira vez. Eu caí na lábia de um homem inteligente me dizendo como eu devia pensar.
Morning, dear.
Hello, you. Excuse me.
Just right, I think. I trust everything is well.
Seemed like a good game going if you're
Je
interested.
suis bien content de l'apprendre.
Placing this.
My apologies. Excuse me.
Hello, you handsome man.
So, what'll it be?
Need some food. Can I get a meal? Bonjour.
Good meal, I hope.
How do you do? Thank you. Yep. Hey, move it!
Vamos visitar a mulher do Arthur, Mary.
Arthur! Arthur!
Olha ela aqui.
Up here! You came!
Yeah, I came.
Sim, eu vim.
So, what do you need?
Wait
Vamos lá,
there! I'm
do que
coming
precisa?
straight down!
Vocês estão olhando os seus.
Arthur!
Hello,
came.
Sure. Whenever you call for me, I'll come.
Sure.
Oh, Arthur.
What's wrong?
Daddy.
Your father? I'm a bigger
Daddy,
fool than
meu
I
pai.
even thought.
I'm begging
Ah, ela
you,
veio cobrar
Arthur.
dívida. Eu imploro o Arthur.
I know Daddy was not kind to you, but surely you cannot hate a man for the sin of loving his daughter and wanting better for her than
And me?
the
Okay,
choices you
What
make.
choice did I have? Did I ever
De
have?
que escolhas?
I know.
Já tive
You
algum.
had to live
Oh,
by
eu
your
sei.
code. But your code is... well, it's not right.
Has your way been right, Mary?
Todos foram corretos,
Jamie
Mary.
joining a bunch of
Você
crazies.
e o Jamie andando
And
com um bando
hypocritical
de
daddy with
lunáticos.
his drinking
Hipócrita
and
do seu
whoring
pai.
and gambling? Huh? Is that what a
Que
pure
anda
life
com
has
prostituta.
gotten you?
Ah!
Begging me for help?
Oh, Arthur,
Oh,
be
Arthur.
kind to me,
Seja gentil comigo.
please.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I am...
Eu
I should
preciso de
have
ajuda, né?
asked someone
Eu
else,
tava hospitalizando.
but
But I'm the best guy you know at frightening
Mas sabe que eu
decent
sou o melhor pra assustar gente decente.
it wasn't that I didn't love you, Arthur. You know that. Oh, Arthur,
Ah, o
we
Arthur.
were so very young. Think
Eles
how
eram
different
amantes, né,
life
no
could have
passado.
been.
A Mary Linton e
Yeah, I think about
o Arthur morto.
A lot. It all seems so long ago and far away
Um lugar
now.
muito distante. Ah,
Will you help me try to save Daddy?
Come along, Dan.
então me
Where we
siga.
going? What's the old
Vamos pra onde?
lovable patriarch been
Porque o
up to
velho
now?
adorável patriarca andou
Oh, Arthur,
aprontando.
you know sarcasm is beneath you.
Sabe que sarcasmo?
He's been gambling and drinking and other things.
Oh, the filthy
Ó,
rotter.
que canário imundo.
Where can we find him?
He said he was going
Onde
down
posso
to the
encontrar?
Theodore Eckhart
Ele
stables.
disse que ia ao estábulo de
Something about a
Theodore
horse.
Eckhart.
It's down by the water in the warehouse district near the train yard.
Come on, then.
Don't be a pompous
Come on,
ass,
então.
Arthur. It doesn't suit you.
Oh, should I leave that to Daddy?
Leave Daddy alone. He suffers enough.
Well, I suppose I can take some consolation in that.
Oh,
É meio
Arthur,
controlar com isso.
I should
O
have ran
Arthur.
away with you years ago.
Well, you
Deveria, né, ter
No,
fugido.
I
Mas
didn't.
você não quis.
But, well, I
Ah,
don't know.
Dio. Eu não sei. A Merlinda vai com a gente.
So what do you think he's up to?
I'm not sure. He keeps saying it's a disgrace a man of his standing has to ride around on some old nag.
Standing.
Vamos ver.
He's usually falling down.
Arthur, he wasn't always this way, but it has got worse. He's drinking and gambling more than ever, pawning things off left and right, mixing with bad people. What are you doing? So, I was saying, I'm just scared for him.
Don't worry too much. Whatever it is, we'll work it out.
Arthur, what's wrong?
Come on now, boy. Morning.
Que da hora.
Let's go, boy.
Amarra o cavalo aqui, Merlin.
This is the place.
Ah, tem que chegar a tempo, cara. Ah, tomar no cu, missão chata.
So what do you think he's up to?
I'm not sure. He keeps saying it's a disgrace a man of his standing has to ride around on some old nag.
Standing? He's usually falling down.
Arthur. He wasn't always this way, but it has got worse. He's drinking and gambling more than ever, pawning things off left and right, mixing with bad people. I'm just scared for him.
Don't worry too much. Whatever it is, we'll work it out.
Tem um tempo então pra ir. O pai dela, o Sr. Gideon,
This is
chama.
the place.
Pra Mary. É isso mesmo.
Let me go in and see what kind of a state he's in.
Sure. I'll wait here.
Sure, claro.
Look, scream if you need any help.
Boa
Very
sorte.
funny.
You can't stand there.
What, in the street?
Yes, in the
Onde?
street.
Na rua.
Is it your street?
Just get out of here.
Esta rua, essa. Só saia daqui.
Why?
I said,
Por quê?
just get out of here.
Listen, partner,
Aí, rapaz, olha lá.
I'm waiting on a lady.
Tô esperando uma mulher.
Just go on inside.
Ela é uma boa mulher. E acabou
If
de
I
entrar
wasn't
aí.
waiting on this lady,
Se eu estivesse esperando ela, você já
but if
estaria
you
morto.
continue,
Mas se continuar me irritando. Ah,
I'll kill you. And make my
eu
apologies
vou
to the
te
lady
matar e
that you
pedir
called.
desculpas
I
a
didn't
ela.
mean nothing.
Não era a minha intenção. Nunca foi tão humilhado.
I have half a mind to kill
Oh,
you
o senhor pai
myself.
dela.
Daddy.
No.
Oh, Daddy, please,
Daddy.
come home. You're tired, Daddy, tired
I
and
have no
unwell.
such thing. You get away from me. You head home. I insist upon it.
O pai dela é um
Leave me be.
bêbado, sem vergonha.
Damn nuisance.
Excuse me, partner. Still as charming as ever, I see.
Oh, Arthur, he's up to no good. We better follow him.
Okay.
This way. He went around the corner. Wait, Arthur.
You can see why he has such a high opinion of himself. So just follow the smell.
Arthur, come on.
Oh, shit, it's mal.
Those crates. Come here, quick.
Mind
Oh, nossa.
Mind where you go. Sorry?
Do you think he saw us?
I don't think so.
What did you say to me? I didn't say a thing insulting. I'll wipe that goddamn smirk.
Arrancar seu sorriso da sua cara. Oh, ele é um fusão.
Ain't you a little old for brawling, mister?
Damn you!
He's heading across the road.
You know, this is kind of fun.
Shh, he'll hear you. You could have cleaned yourself up a bit.
I didn't realize I was here to impress anyone.
He just went left down that alleyway. What's he doing?
Let's go find out. say I never show you a good time.
I'm just glad you're here.
Vamos ver o que ele quer.
What's he doing? What do you think he's doing?
Well, he's
O que pensa?
waiting for
Bom,
a
ele está
woman,
esperando uma mulher.
his morals. He's trying to sell something.
So, Ashton, you got the
Então,
money?
então tem o dinheiro.
You got the brooch, Mr. Gillis?
Ó, o broche,
Yes.
o broche, senhor Kill.
Yeah.
Here's the money.
Ó, o broche.
It's a family heirloom.
That was
Uma
mother's
relíquia de
brooch.
família. Ele é o broche da minha mãe.
Mr. Gillis. Enjoy the money. And should you need any more, I can offer you
E se ele
a
precisar de
loan
mais-
at a very reasonable rate of interest.
No, thank you. I've
Não,
heard what
obrigado.
happens to folks who take loans from you.
It's not even his
Ó, ele
to
vendeu o
sell.
broche da família.
At least he didn't get himself killed.
You don't understand. Mother left it to me.
Minha mãe o deixou pra mim.
Sold my mother's brooch? How could you?
You!
That's theft.
Oh, speaking of thieves, I
Por
see
falar em
you found your
ladrões, eu...
outlaw again.
Hello, sir. Have you been well?
Olá, como o senhor tem passado?
Could you?
Mary, wait here. I'll go get the
Mary, espera aqui, eu vou
Don't
pegar o
hurt
broche.
anyone, Arthur.
Ah, não vou machucar ninguém.
Hey, you, Ashton! Hold her right there! God damn it. Let's go. Hey! Stop that coach! Get back here! You hearing me?
Para aí, devolve o broche.
Damn coach! Wait. God damn it! You stop right now! Let's get him. Yeah. Go easy. Come on, now.
What the hell?
Falei, saia.
This is insane! Did Gillis put you up to this?
Easy.
Where are you taking me?
Get out of there.
Sai daí.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. It's just a brooch.
I want that brooch. It wasn't Gillis's to sell.
I bought it fair and square.
How much you want for it?
I guess I could give it to you for $100.
100? What do you take me for?
Okay, okay. I'm a reasonable man. Let's say 50.
Good enough, Ashton.
Okay, Jesus! $25, that's my final offer.
A oferta final é essa. Broche da Mary, senhor Ashton.
Time to go, boy. Giddy up.
Haha! Recuperei o broche. Jeito fácil de resolver as coisas.
Where's your father?
I don't know.
You want me to
Eu não
go
sei.
find him again?
Not really.
Let's take a walk.
Bom, vamos dar uma volta.
Take you to the trolley.
Thank you.
Obrigado. Ó o broche, recuperei.
I won't ask.
Probably best not.
Hey,
Aham.
what are you doing now? Right this moment?
Why'd you ask?
Por que pergunta?
Well, I was wondering if
Bom,
you
eu
wanted to do
Mary
something.
Linton.
Head to the theater, perhaps.
Ah, e ao teatro, quem sabe?
Theater? Me?
Teatro? Eu?
Sure, why not?
It'll be fun, Arthur. Let's go to the Relure. They have the
Eu
strangest...
relor.
Strangeness I can handle. Well, it's the
Estranheza não é
normal
problema.
business of life. I can't seem to get a grip on.
You and me both, Arthur. Oh, I've missed you.
Don't start.
You're an idiot. But you'll
Ah,
always be my
encontro,
friend.
os dois,
Of
né?
course I'm your friend, but you ain't always fair with me.
If
Você
I
é
was
justa
fair
comigo.
with you and a good person, I'd have had you hanged a long time ago.
Well,
legal.
That's true.
So,
Yes,
shut
true.
up and act like a gentleman, or at least try
Vão dar igual o
to
velho
for
tempo,
once
os
in your
velhos tempos, né?
brainless life.
You're not a very nice woman, Mrs. Linton.
Well,
Você não é
look
uma
at
mulher
the
muito
company
gentil,
I
senhorita
keep.
No,
Linton.
it's quite dreadful, isn't it?
Sort of
Nossa,
beautiful,
cara.
in a gaudy and tasteless way.
It's the only way I know.
Thank you.
Oh, no, I didn't mean it like that.
I'm sure.
Primeira vez estamos indo
Silly
ao
man.
teatro.
Come on, let's go find our seats.
How about here on the right?
Sure.
After you.
Sure, você primeiro. Legal, legal.
Welcome! And thank you for that thunderous applause. I am Aldridge T. Abington, the greatest assembler of entertainment since Nero himself. Do not doubt. As a child, when I walked the horse manure-covered streets of Saint-Denis, I never dreamed of the stir I would create in this locality.
Just starting or not?
Are you in a rush,
Greatest
Arthur?
show ever assembled. Prepare for the grandest excitement of your curiosity.
Do something
Fire,
better!
snakes, and magic. I encourage any of you to dabble in all three if you have a settled aversion to manual labor as I do. For entertainment is a gift that will see you through the winter better than any packed larder or root cellar full of canned goods.
Ó, Mary Linton.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a truly stunning musical performance to the stage, Miss Robin Koninsky.
Senhorita Robin Koninsky. Ah, isso aqui é entretenimento, né?
It's all nonsense.
Thank you for joining us. Now let's talk a little bit about this place we all love called Saint-Denis. They come from rolled strawberry and valentine, singing a song and drinking wine across by bayou swamp and over the sea. We're heading down to Saint Denis. If you want
Oh,
to the
Valentine.
blacksmith shop, don't worry yourself with planting a crop. The girls are wearing a brand new gown. We're heading to the Saint Denis town. Carpetbaggers, coal miners, and mountain folk. Loosen them stirrups and let off that yoke. Pretty young things say, come with me. In the parlors and brothels of Saint Denis. The porter is drinking and the whistle just blew. The train's ahead, a needle and a voodoo. You won't sleep a wink, I can guarantee. Let's go drinking down in Saint Denis.
Ah, Merlin.
I'll go anywhere, Jim.
Singing and howling at the moon in the streets and alleys of each saloon. The rich and poor and
Oh,
the bourgeoisie,
Richard,
they all
Richard.
ran down to Saint Denis. France didn't really give us much except wine and grapes and fancy such and such. Pretend to be French, but can't you see? I'd rather live in Saint Denis. Yes, I'd rather live in Saint Denis.
Nome da arte da Robin
Your
Bonito.
money, come see your honey in old Saint Denis.
Y'all see this? That girl can sing. On with the show.
Flawless. Perfect. Oh, I see you. You love her dulcet tones, right?
Robin
Yes.
Boniski.
She's pure spectacle. And
Seriously?
I assure you, she can charm any beast at all, from cockroach to killer whale. Your mother most likely told you not to play with fire, or to spend time in the
You
company
stink!
of strange women. You are about to do both. Miss Antoinette Sansorvino.
Senhora o quê?
Stop it.
Senhora Antônia Sanferino. Nossa, tá bem escuro.
How about that? Yeah. You can
Oh.
see this could go horribly wrong.
I hope she stays away from the curtain.
Caralho, perigoso.
I like hot things too. Huckster. All right.
Alright, isso aí.
This is great. Come on, fire lady. Go on.
Come on, come on. Ah.
Do more.
Nossa.
Bring it. Enough of this crazy fire lady. set your backside on fire.
Enchanting! Mesmerizing! She is truly one to bring home to mother. It is said that there is a place in France where the naked ladies dance.
Want more.
I have been there. Prepare for the bawdy brasiers of the Petit Flaneur in Gay Paris!
Vamos ver todas as apresentações. Ah, que da hora. A Horta gostou. Que da hora. Tá bom, show. Acabou o show?
Incredible! Aren't they lovely? Oh, those legs are a sight to behold. I am spent. Each of my shows is truly incredulous, awe-inspiring, and I'm sure you enjoyed. Thank you. We flounder through the morass of humanity, with only bright moments like these before it all goes dim and snuffs out in silence. So thank you. What a lovely evening. Come back tomorrow.
Acabou? Ah, acabou o teatro.
All right. Well, shall we?
Yes. That was fun, Arthur.
It was.
All right. Better take me to the trolley now, Mr. Morgan.
Of course.
Quite ridiculous, but somehow very amusing.
Sure.
É isso aí.
My life wasn't supposed to... Oh,
Is it too late for us, Arthur?
I can't lie to you. I'm a wanted man, Mary. If anyone close to me, well, they're wanted too. And I can't have you wrapped up in there. But it's coming to an end. This time it really is.
Run away.
Dessa vez é pra valer. Tudo vai terminar agora. Sempre
right
promete.
now and don't look back.
E não olhe pra trás. Mary Linton. Eu quero, mais do que qualquer outra coisa.
But I've got some people I need to take care
A
of.
Mary é a grande paixão e amor da vida do
Once
Arthur.
they're free, then I'm free. Then I can disappear.
But Arthur...
Ah, eu posso... Oh, Arthur.
Soon, I'll have some.
Logo vou...
I know
É uma
you
promessa,
won't
né? Sei que você não vai fugir.
But it's a pretty dream.
Mas é um belo sonho.
But I will once I get some money. I had some
Money.
Then some fool got it trapped into a town that I can't go back to. It's another story.
I'll write you.
A Mary vai escrever pro Arthur. E esse é um adeus, né? Adeus, Mary. Bye bye, até mais tarde. Vamos salvar aqui, né, galera? Vamos ver o que ele quer dizer essa missão. Mary pede ajuda a Arthur para com seu pai. Pelo fim de jogatina, Arthur deve recomer a nossa relíquia da família que o pai de Mary vendeu.
Hello, gentlemen.
Ah, mais bonjour.
Hello, mister.
Saxofonista.
How do you do?
That's beautiful to listen to. I'm joking. It's awful. Shut the hell up.
And just what have I done to offend you?
I'm only kidding around.
What have they ever done to you? They're supposed to be funny.
How you doing, friend?
Out of my way!
Vamos fazer essa última missão com o Charlie Shadway.
Hey, come on, what are you doing this for? You see this here? Lost your wind, countryman? Looking for the cheapest whorehouse? As if even likes ladies.
You spend all day on that one, huh?
Hey, you deaf, mister?
Got big mouths, don't you? Bet you wouldn't miss some teeth.
Don't move. Let's get those hands up nice and high.
Works every time.
Nossa, cara. Eu mato mesmo. Polícia, pode vir polícia, pode vir todo mundo.
Yep. Yeah.
Nossa, que escuridão. Só tampar o rosto e trocar de roupa, eles não vão me reconhecer.
Something wrong or what?
Excuse me, could you kindly remove the mask? I'm telling you, if you don't take that mask off, the law... I'm gonna do it for you. Oh, hello again. Christ, you got the money to pay all that off?
Thanks, mister.
Howdy, partner.
What the hell's the matter?
É o ponte do corno, né? Escrito. Galera, eu acho que vamos fazer mais uma missão. Depois vou almoçar, dependendo do coisa. 2h30 já.
Sorry. Beg your pardon.
Let's just say I wish I lived in the simpler times. Bonjour.
Je vous salue.
Hey, y'all. Good day so far? How's it going?
Fine and dandy, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Vamos dormir umas 7 horas. Hoje a missão principal mesmo foi que encontro com a Merlin. A coisa toda foi estranha, me perturbando. A Colina Daver, talvez. Viu a Mary, aquele pai horrível dela, que agora começou a beber. E fez ele melhorar muito. Que homem escuto e esbanjar a segurança da família. Só uma coisa. Senhora Linton está morto e eu me pergunto o que ele quer para sua filha. O engraçado é que eu amo ela e ainda assim não presta. O velho age como um homem bom e correto, mas trata sua filha como se fosse uma propriedade, maltratando e acreditando ela como se entende homens são criaturas estranhas, sei lá. Tudo que sei é que eu amo ela e ela me ama. Me detesta muita coisa. Eu tenho que dizer que sou o fora da lei, um assassino, um homem com um código diferente das pessoas comuns, e a Mary nunca vai se encaixar no meu mundo. Um espetáculo em de vaudeville na cidade, dança da França, negócio e tanto. Qual é o meu problema? Acho que eu posso me receber para um bom lugar e viver numa vida normal com esposa. Eu sou tão pateta assim para achar que isso é possível. Vamos fazer a última missão do Charlie lá, pintor.
Can I get a room, please?
Okay, room is all set. Just head upstairs when you're ready.
Make a bench. Careful there.
Come on, pal.
Hi. Get.
Hello.
Fez com a esposa.
You're a dead man.
So much for the new way.
Hey, who the devil are you? far as you're
Quem diabos é você?
Get out of here. This cat. I said get out of here.
Eu disse pra sair agora.
I'm going.
Charles tá
Why
envolvido.
I did that?
Because barbarity is boring, no?
It kept me amused some years.
You must
No.
go, my friend, before the gendarmerie arrive.
Antes que o que você aprontou, cara?
You have done right by her. The little bird is free.
Ah, passarinho está
I am an
livre.
artist cowboy. I must do what I feel. Look, I have an exhibit at the gallery.
Olha
You
só.
come, see what I mean.
Venha visitar com o que eu puder. Ah, a visão do Charles. É só isso? Arte e manha. Parte 2. Tá vindo uma tempestade. Galera, vamos fazer o seguinte. Eu vou finalizar por aqui. Na próxima parte a gente vai fazer essa missão com o irmão Dawkins. Um bandido furioso ameaça Shellney, alegando que ele dormiu com sua esposa. A próxima parte a gente vai continuar o modo história. Fazer essa missão no rapidão aqui, ó. A missão do cassino com o Trio Lawney. Certo? Então vou chamar o Trio Lawney. Vai dar destaque. O Trio Lawney anda investigando o barco a favor e quer encontrar você no alfaiate. E depois na sequência a gente vai. Primeiro vamos fazer a missão do irmão Dawkins e depois do Trio Lawney. Na sequência. Depois vou fazer outras missões secundárias que tem aqui. Que é essa, conhecer do Chaperi lá que a gente conheceu na festa do casa do prefeito. E conhecer esse rapaz aqui também que nem sei quem que é. Vocês veem que tem muita missão secundária aqui, ó. Temos que ajudar os índios lá, o águia voando. Mas tudo isso vai ficar na próxima parte. Então galera, peço para mais uma vez deixar o like. Não se esqueçam, ativem o sininho aí para mais notificação pessoal que estiver no YouTube. O pessoal da Twitch, meu canal principal, Ronaldo Carlos Televisão, Gameplay. Então é isso aí galera, um forte abraço, a gente se vê na próxima. Valeu, fui.